friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. This video is all about one more farm visit which I have done in few days back. So as you can see here guys, so this let me tell something about this aviary before going in depth about the birds what he has and everything. So guys, this aviary name is Sai Aviary, which is in the outskirts of Bangalore, and the owner of this aviary is very fond of African lovebirds, especially in the higher mutations, and he has around 34 varieties of African lovebirds, which consist from peach varieties till then higher mutations. So now what you are seeing is about the helicopter budgies breeding. So he had a very successful breeding with respect to helicopter budgies, and so I'll be showing you the birds which are in breeding. So now you can see the pearl and pied breeding, which was incubating. Here you can see pineapple kannur with chicks and eggs respectively. So when it comes to this aviary, he has very good breeds, and now you can see fisher birds breeding, and you can see a few eggs as well as chicks also. So I don't want to disturb them guys because they were in incubation, and once again they were higher in mutation. So here you have seen, you can see once again African birds, you know, blue mask with their chicks respectively. So when it comes to the hatching rate, guys, he had most of them were incubation, and they had very good hatching rate and breeding results. So when it comes to diet, they the owner was giving around seed mix, beetroot, beans, carrot was a normal diet. So when the chicks are hatched, he gives foods with probiotics, so that will in turn keep the chicks very much healthy, and uh, the quality of the chicks also were really good. So guys, this when it comes to this type this bird, they it was like almost by this time I think they would have kept other two eggs, because many of the female birds which I was observing here had eggs in the womb, and already it kept around two or three eggs maximum. And the size of the cage what he gave was like, it was a 2 feet china cage, which in terms help in cleaning, which easily makes the cleaning very much faster. And and when it comes to the maintenance also guys, I had a very decent discussion with him. So he is like, sir, I minimum take around 6 hours to clean complete aviary. So he had a very unique system of maintaining them. So here you can see the pied varieties, guys. Birds were really good, and it was really good when it comes to the quality, and even with respect to sizes. So he had overall around 40 pairs of birds, which includes African lovebirds, cocktails, kannurs, and few pairs of helicopter budgies as well. So and for nesting material, he has used the normal grass, so that will be dropped inside the cage, and however the bird requires, it was making the nest accordingly. Now what you're seeing is the pineapple conure pair, guys. So here you can see, out of 4 eggs, 4 were hatched, and all 4 are really doing good, and parents are also taking very good care of their chicks. So rarely we see 100% hatching rate with respect to Kanurs. But out of few pairs, he had a very good clutches, and you can see the chick sleeping. That's because of the humid condition what was there in the aviary, guys. The aviary is well maintained uh, with very good uh, uh, protection all for across the walls, and you feel humid, guys. There is where birds feel like you know getting multiplied very fast. The more humid, then more warm, so that will be very much favor of birds. And the mortality also will not be that much because of the humid condition inside the aviary, guys. Aviary size was something like around 15 by 15. It was not more than that, but the uh, he had very very decent uh, decent and unique way of of his own style of raising them. As you can see there, the nesting material was thrown inside the cage, and many were actually busy keeping them. And when it comes to the diet part also, he had very decent way of maintaining them. So in order to make the birds active, he had his own schedule of keeping them. And now the cage what you're seeing is a quarantine cage, guys. Any birds which is brought newly, so it was kept outside the aviary, so that once after they are okay, that will be shifted to the main aviary place. So he had a few mask varieties and dove birds, and few cocktails which were brought very newly. And he had also had few pairs of pigeons, that too especially raising pigeons, if I'm not wrong, as per the sources what I have collected. Few two pairs were under breeding, and I didn't feel like disturbing them. But I'll try to show their eggs also, guys. So this female was under an egg, and we can expect one more egg from this pair, so that once after they lay two eggs, they start incubating them. So this is about the small video which I would like to share, guys. And this aviary is in Elanka, and he had not only had very exotic birds, he had also a wide variety collections of bonsai plants, as well as all the show varieties of cactus, guys. So it is technically called by so many other names which I would not like to disclose it. But he had a very unique style of raising and making the bonsai plants grow also. The plant what you're seeing is around 3 years old, and he is using very good things to maintain them. And the birds what you are seeing here is like a bull, which is once again an exotic and higher mutation birds. And you would have seen all these cages and everything priorly. He had actually two types of cages, guys, especially for Africans. One is a free flight cage. I mean, like one which gives a very good flying space with a breeding box, and one more is an China cage, which is of a restricted size. So and when it comes to feed also, guys, he gives very good seed mix, which includes canary seeds, red millets, white millets, and hemp seeds, which in terms make the bird to breed very good. And this is about the small topic, guys. Hope you liked it. So do follow me for my regular updates. This is Chetan signing off from Feathered Sword.